This is an exciting day for this old man. My buddy Wayne called from Auto Showplace. Wayne's the guy that's had my 75 Pontiac for the last almost 2 months. It's all done. It's ready to go. It's ready for pickup. It's starting to snow. I'm trying to get this thing home before it does snow, before the state starts putting salt all over the road. So I'd like to get both the car home and the car hauler home before all that salt starts to accumulate everywhere. Because if you're from a salt state, then you know it really beats up everything that you own. So today we're going to go get the 75 Pontiac. And when we get there, Wayne's got it up on a lift for me right now, and we're going to walk through the car from front to back, and Wayne's going to share all the stuff that he had to do to it. This is really cool, guys, because that means next spring I'm going to put this thing back on the road for the first time in over 30 years. This car was my baby back in the day, and it'll be my baby again. So let's go pick it up. Damn, dude, you got it right in front.
I didn't want you to walk there.
Hey guys, this is my buddy Wayne. Wayne has been working on my cars for decades.
Long time.
Long time. I forced him into it when he was 18 years old.
Yeah, a little
and
bit.
now he says he's an old man. Anyway, he's the guy I trusted to work on this car. I actually got some other stuff he might be interested in as we go through this. Wayne, by the way, is the guy who's coaching me, or one of the guys that's coaching me on that V6. So he's tolerating all my ignorance, and he's a good coach.
I'm not saying there's not much there, but there's a little bit.
Well, how many engines have you rebuilt?
Few.
A few. I think you can help. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the car, and we'll go from front to back, and we'll talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's talk about the elephant in the room, which was those manifolds. They were, to put it bluntly, a bitch.
They're pretty big elephant, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
So we had to get them out, or Wayne had to get them out. I'm taking no credit for this, just paying the bill. So in order to get them out, he had to break the studs, or the studs were broken, one of the two.
Both.
And to drill it out, you had to actually disconnect the engine from the motor mounts, lift the engine just so you could drill.
Fit the drill in with
Correct, yeah.
modified drill bits to make it all fit.
So the problem we had was that one of them was warped. So you had to get that, the passenger side was warped.
Was warped.
So you had to get
Get that
flattened and put that back in. We searched high and low for a driver's side exhaust manifold because that one was broken in half, in two. I went searching for replacements. We looked on eBay, we looked on Marketplace, and anytime I found one it looked like it had come off the bottom of the ocean, and I wasn't going to spend the money, and they wanted a lot of money. And I wasn't going to spend the money to put these things, that's a rusted old manifold, back on the car. So we continued the search. In the meantime, we thought, well, in the interim, maybe we can get this thing welded up. So Wayne found a local high-tech laser and welding company. They took one look at it and said, we ain't touching it. And ultimately, we brought it to an old school blacksmith. They took one look at it and said, yeah, we can do that. And they did. They actually welded that cast iron back together. It's probably not a permanent fix, but it's going to get the car on the road, get it running while I go looking for another replacement. The problem we had is that this cross pipe or Y pipe is a 3-bolt flange, and most of the ones that I could find on the internet were 2-bolt. So Pontiac put a lot of 2-bolt flanges, but not a lot of 3-bolt. That was what caused the biggest problem finding them. So I'm going to continue to look, and come spring, if I can find one, we'll get it replaced, and I'll get Wayne to put that in. But anyway, let's go on and take a look at the rest of the stuff that Wayne did for me. So what did we do, Wayne? We did a lot of stuff.
Oh, we fixed quite a bit of leaks, oil leaks, fuel leaks. We took in, yeah.
Got to think about it,
Yeah,
don't you?
there was a list.
Yeah, it's been here for a while. So change the oil filter.
Service the transmission, drained and refilled the antifreeze.
Oh, you did that too?
Yes, we had to, because we had to unhook the motor.
Okay.
So
Put a new starter in.
we had to put a new starter in because the old one just didn't want to cooperate anymore. The Bendix kept not working.
Yeah. So from the front, you checked the brakes. I don't think you did anything.
We took all the hubs off. We checked all the bearings. We repacked all the bearings.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that
Put
one.
all
either.
new seals in. The grease that was in it was just so solidified it would never melt back down the way it should.
Yeah, well, 30 years. I mean,
So made sure all the pins were all free in the calipers, which they were. Actually, surprisingly enough, they did move. We just added extra. And then bled all the old fluid out of it. And then
you mean the brake system.
brake fluid.
Okay.
Yep,
Okay.
bled that out. Probably after a few good braking, we'll do it again.
Okay.
Make sure,
Yeah.
'cause it's hard to get every last bit of it out, even with pressure bleeding. Old cast iron master cylinder, they tend to hold on to stuff.
Okay. Cool.
So-
Yeah. And this thing was leaking,
Transmission was leaking.
and so
We took the pan down, changed the filter in it, put all new gasket, cleaned it up, took the dent out of the best we could out of the middle of the pan.
Want me to tell you how that happened? Let me tell you how.
There's a story.
Let me tell you how that happened. So you know the road to the pond up there in right corner. What the hell?
Yeah, oh boy.
Yeah. Anyway.
I'm terrible with that.
Yeah. So back in the day, there was a hump, and that hump was significant. And I thought, I wonder how fast I can go over that hump with this car. And I found out not very fast.
Wow.
So I launched the car.
Not fast enough.
I launched the car, and it came down hard, and it hit the pan, and that's where that. Actually, it looks pretty good. How did you get it so flat?
Flat surface.
That was, boy, I didn't have the car very long, so that had to be. I wasn't married, so that had to be 76, 77. The car was brand new when I did that. Okay, I learned that these big old boats.
Gravity is not their friend.
No. so anyway, that's how that dent got there, and it's nice that it's gone. Okay, so cool. I mean, we've already determined that the bottom of this thing is rust-free, which is good. We also, we had a leaking.
Had a leaking pinion seal.
Yeah. So you replaced that. That
Replaced that.
hasn't looked that dry in forever. Exhaust system is okay, mostly.
Exhaust system for the most part is okay. We did stick a new hanger in the back and got rid of your
My
electric wire coat hanger looking scenario you
Yeah,
had.
where the hell was that?
Right there where that hanger is, right there.
I don't see the hanger yet.
So, because, yeah, we just couldn't leave the coat hanger there.
Oh, hanger right there. Yeah. I wonder who did that.
Yeah, well,
Yeah. All right, so that was done, and then the back brakes.
we took the back brakes all apart. The brake shoes were still looking new. We scuffed them up. They weren't broken. We did find a right rear cylinder that had been leaking on it. Not a tremendous leak, but it was enough that we weren't going to leave it. So we ended up just doing both of them, get it out of the way, and then of course let all the fluid through the back. So adjusted the brakes up, so
Okay.
stops pretty good.
It always did, yeah. Didn't accelerate real well, but it. Yeah, that 400 Pontiac in 75 was pretty choked down. Hey, we may rebuild that. We may make that go rumpity rump too.
Oh boy.
All right, so this is really cool. This old man's really happy about this stuff. We do have some tire issues.
Some.
So first off, the tires are almost 50 years old. I don't know. I don't think they put dates on them back then. So those tires are 50 years old, and one of the problems Wayne is having is they keep going flat.
Never the same one on the same day.
So we're gonna get this thing home and put it in the garage and put it away for the summer.
Well, I would say winter.
Winter, that's the one.
The one that's coming.
The one that's been, the reason that it's snowing outside. Yeah. Now, happy to get it home. So, state of New Hampshire, as of January 31st,
31st.
is no longer going to do state inspections. So, this is going back on the road without an inspection. Because
February 1st.
February 1st. Well, March something. And the nice thing about it is, as I tell my wife, today's not a good day to die.
Sure.
So I like to keep these cars up to snuff so that I'm not going to get hurt. I'm not going to hurt anybody else. And I appreciate Wayne and all the work he's done. Now I have to pay the bill. Thank
It is a good result.
for you. All right. Okay. Let's get this thing loaded up on the trailer. So we're all mounted up. Let's take her home and put her in the barn for the wintertime. I am so psyched. The car is home. It's running great. It's nice and quiet with all the work we did on this manifolds. It hasn't been this quiet in over 30 years. There's a whole lot more work to do on it, and you can see the video where I made that list up here. And if there's any interest in this car, and right now there seems to be quite a bit, I will start filming some of that work as I do it and present it here on the channel. Guys, I know you all click away at this part of the video, but it's really important to the growth of the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Got a lot of good stuff coming, and I want to share it all with you. Guys, I love you. I'm glad you're here, and I will see you in the next video coming